Can I tell you a secret? The color most homeowners choose for their vanity is the one designers are avoiding in 26. So today, I'm breaking down 5 vanity color trends that will shape bathrooms next year, and how to choose the right one for your space. Bathrooms are changing in the next year. Designers want these spaces to feel warmer and more natural. And that means your vanity color matters more than ever. Before we get into the main trends, let's look at the design shifts that are shaping bathrooms in 2026. Shift 1. Cool gray is done. It had a long moment, but now it instantly makes bathrooms feel flat and dated. And because bathrooms already have so many cold surfaces, tile, stone, metal, a cool gray vanity pulls the whole space in the wrong direction. Warm colors are taking over because they balance all that coldness and make the room feel calmer the second you walk in. Shift 2. Texture matters more than ever. Designers aren't choosing glossy, polished finishes anymore. They're choosing matte surfaces and subtle textures that catch the light softly. Wood grain, fluted panels, reeded fronts, these small details add warmth and quiet elegance, even when the color itself is simple. Shift 3. Permanent fixtures have to feel timeless. You can switch out towels or decor anytime, but the vanity is different. It needs a color you won't regret in a year. And that's exactly why 2026 colors are moving toward tones that feel calm, natural, and steady, shades that don't go out of style after a season. Shift 4. Bathrooms are moving from showroom clean to spa calm. People want spaces that feel restorative, not sterile. And that's exactly why the colors look the way they do. Softer, warmer, and much easier to live with. Now that the bigger picture is clear, let's get into the 5 vanity color trends shaping bathrooms right now. Trend 1 is all about bringing warmth back into the bathroom with natural wood. Most bathrooms already feel cold because of all the tile, stone, and metal, so wood does the opposite. It makes the space feel softer and a lot more inviting. Rift-cut white oak is the big favorite right now because the grain is really calm and clean. It gives the vanity that spa feeling without making the room busy. If you want something a little richer, natural walnut adds deeper warmth. And sealed teak is coming back too, especially for floating vanities, because it gives that easy, resort-style look. If you don't want a wood vanity but still want the same warm feeling, there are 2 paint colors that work really well. Shiitake by Sherwin-Williams brings in a soft, mushroom-like warmth that helps tone down bathrooms that feel too cold from all the hard surfaces. If your bathroom feels bright but kind of empty, Chelsea Gray by Benjamin Moore helps anchor it. It adds depth, but it still feels calm. The reason this trend is so popular is simple. Wood makes bathrooms feel more relaxed and natural. It softens everything around it, and the whole room feels easier to live with. Nothing about it is trendy or risky. It's warm, timeless, and it instantly makes the space feel calmer. Trend number 2, muted organic greens. These tones are the biggest standout because they're classically earthy and they last forever. The 2026 update for green is moving away from basic forest green to muddy greens, like olive, sage, and mossy tones. Svelta Sage by Sherwin-Williams is perfect when a bathroom feels too stark. It adds this gentle, herbal warmth that softens all the cold surfaces. It lets the room breathe without becoming the main focus. Saybrook Steeple by Benjamin Moore is amazing in bathrooms with bright white tile. It grounds the space and makes everything feel richer, almost like the vanity belongs in a boutique hotel. What makes these greens so good is that they feel like they're pulled from nature. They work beautifully with brass, black hardware, natural wood, and warm stone. So if your bathroom feels flat, a muted green vanity, it's the best way to make the space feel more balanced and put together. Trend 3 is for bathrooms that need a little warmth and comfort. These earthy neutrals feel peaceful, like stepping into a warm stone spa. They don't read as trendy or bold. They just make the room feel settled and inviting the moment you walk in. Woolskein by Sherwin-Williams is one of the best choices if your bathroom looks washed out or the lighting feels too sharp. It has a sandy warmth that softens the whole room without making it look yellow. If you want something with a bit more depth, Pashmina by Benjamin Moore is a great option. It works especially well when your bathroom mixes cool and warm tones, because it naturally blends everything together and makes the vanity look more intentional. These neutrals pair beautifully with white tile, wood accents, warm stone, brass, and matte black. If you want a vanity color that feels calm, elegant, and easy to decorate around, warm, earthy neutrals are a perfect choice. Trend 4 brings us colors that increase home value because buyers consistently associate them with cleanliness and a well-maintained space. Can you guess what they are? It's the soft spa blues. These gentle blues make a bathroom look brighter and more open, especially if you have a lot of white tile or not much natural light. Jubilee by Sherwin-Williams is great for small bathrooms, and it adds color without making the space feel cold. Another good option is Beacon Gray by Benjamin Moore. This one helps when your bathroom has strong overhead lighting. It cuts down the glare and makes the tile and countertop look softer and more even. Spa blues are an easy, low-risk way to add color. They almost always work, and they help the room feel clean, simple, and updated. Trend 5 is for bathrooms that look a little cold or sharp because of tile, glass, or strong lighting. Soft clay and blush neutrals warm up the room without bringing in real color, which makes them safe for long-term value. Breathless by Sherwin-Williams works well when the bathroom feels washed out. It has a soft clay tint that separates the vanity from the walls and tile, so the cabinet doesn't blend into everything else. If your bathroom feels dark or the lighting is low, try Soft Satin by Benjamin Moore. This shade catches more light than you expect, so the vanity looks brighter without using white paint. It's helpful in bathrooms with little natural light or lots of dark surfaces. Soft clay and blush neutrals are good choices when you want the vanity to have its own presence in the room, but still stay neutral. They solve the problem of everything looking the same without jumping into strong color. Before you go, I want to leave you with one simple way to choose the right vanity color from everything we just talked about. Start by looking at what your bathroom already has. If it feels cold or a little harsh because of tile, glass, or bright lighting, you'll want something that brings warmth back in. Natural wood, soft clay tones, or warm neutrals usually work best there. If your bathroom feels dark or closed in, spa blues and lighter neutrals help bounce light around and make the space feel more open. And if your bathroom already has warmth, maybe wood floors or warm stone, muted greens are a great way to add depth without changing the whole mood. The goal isn't to follow every trend. It's to choose the one that balances your space and still feels good years from now. And if you're choosing a vanity color, you'll want to see which wall colors actually work with these trends. I cover that in the next video.